Hey guys, it's Zyron OG. Today we're testing the brand new Lightning Rework in Blox Fruits. Is it broken? Let's find out. First skill. Wow, the speed is insane. Second skill. Perfect stun for combos. This ability, when you charge it with the orbs, not only lasts longer, but look at the insane damage it did to these sea beasts with just one skill. Third skill, this range is crazy. And the ultimate, if this hits, you're deleted. In PvP, Lightning feels amazing. Fast, powerful, and hard to dodge. But miss one skill and you're in trouble. Okay, now let's put it all together. Lightning Rework combo test. But remember, next week Lightning might get nerfed, so I recommend that if you can use it now. Boom! One shot. Still OP after the update. All right, now let's test the combo against real players.
Run.
So what do you think? Is Lightning the new META? Drop a comment and don't forget, subscribe to Zyron OG for daily Blox Fruits content, combos, updates, spins, and memes. Thanks for watch.